This video will show you how to expand bundles automatically, replacing the headache of a traditional pick list. Before you get started, check if you're using an edit order plan that supports automation. Then, make sure you've installed Shopify Flow. Once you're set up, let's move on to the steps. First, navigate to Apps in the Shopify admin and choose Edit Order from the list. Scroll down and click the Shopify Flow button. Find and click the Bundles tab beside Edit Actions, and then click New Bundle. In this section, you're going to want to first name your bundle. In the Bundle section, select the SKU you want to expand. Then in the bottom section, add the individual SKUs that make up your bundle. Edit Order will automatically discount the prices of each individual SKU to 0, so you don't have to worry about overcharging your customers. Keep in mind that you can also set the quantity for each item in this section. Once you're finished, click Save and you'll see a message telling you that your bundle has been successfully created. Now, navigate back to Apps and this time click Shopify Flow. Here, click Create Workflow and then choose Select a Trigger. I'm going to choose Order Created from this list, but you can use any trigger that fits your bundle strategy. Once you've chosen your trigger, click the plus symbol. You'll then see two options appear, Condition and Action. For this workflow, while you can add a condition if you need one, you don't need to click Condition if nothing applies. Select Action. Under Installed App Actions, you'll see Edit Order by Cleverific. Click this, and then select Expand Bundles. Type order.id as shown here. When you're finished, make sure to turn on your workflow and name it. Now, your order is up and running. If you'd ever like to turn it off, you can always choose Turn Off Workflow. While your workflow is on, it will be applied to all active bundles. This means you'll only need to set it up once. When you create a bundle, it will default to the active setting, but you can easily flip the active switch to set it as inactive if needed. Your workflow will not trigger for any inactive bundles you have, even if they're still listed. It's that easy. Now that your workflow is on, you can check to see whether your workflow has been successful by navigating back to the order list and finding the tag that reads Expand Bundles Completed. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@editorder.net. We're always here to help.